purpose of this video is for me to do an example of an error paragraph. Now, the sentences key that we're going to see in a moment are basically the same, as it says here, that we've used before. And this part belongs in your conclusion of your lab report. So it happens after you've done the lab and are ready to analyze the lab itself in terms of whether it gave the best results and how it could be improved. Now, in Dr. Square and Crazy here have a question about this object. Will it break if it's dropped? So they throw it off a cliff and it doesn't break, so they come to the conclusion that it's unbreakable. However, what they should do is they really need to drop it off larger cliffs. So this would be a systemic error in the sense that they really didn't gather enough data to really uphold their claim. Now, there may be a reason that they couldn't get to these large cliffs, or maybe not, but it's a systemic error, and it's almost theoretical. Not almost; it's theoretical error. Now, so if I were going to write this up as a paragraph, I'm going to first do my claim, and my claim is I had a narrow data range, and that could be a big impact. You wouldn't know unless you did the experiment over, which we'll get into. Now, the evidence for that is he only did small cliffs, and a big cliff, your reasoning is a big cliff might break it. Another reasoning is that it's always good to have varied data. Now, even still, your percent errors are low. In this trial, I got this percent error. But you're going to talk about that your percent errors give you a feel for your accuracy of your data as compared to a standard. And if you get more data from higher cliffs, you're going to improve your understanding, and you're going to have a better idea of will it break when thrown from cliffs, regardless of their heights.